In this video, we'll break down the steps involved in sending cryptocurrencies from Bybit to Binance, OKX, Trust Wallet, Tonkeeper, and so on. Sit back and watch to the end. And to kickstart the process, we'll click on Assets, bottom right of the screen. And for those using Binance, just click on Wallets. So just before we proceed, some of the few things you need to know is that when you're sending or receiving cryptocurrencies, it has to go through your funding account. And for trading, it has to go through your unified trading account or spot account. Unified trading account is for Bybit, while spot is for Binance for those using Binance. And we head over to where we can transfer from funding to unified trading and from unified trading to funding. All right, so we'll click on Assets, and then we'll click on USDT, and then we'll click on Transfer. And as you can see, we have 0 USDT available for us. The reason is that the USDT we saw earlier on was on our funding account and not unified trading account. So to move it, we'll just click on this reverse icon here in between unified trading and funding, this icon, and then we switch it. So we want to transfer from funding to unified trading account. So we'll click on mass, or we just type in the number and we continue with it. And then to go back, you just click on this reverse icon again, and you are back to what we had initially. Okay, so we'll just go back now and continue. So we want to withdraw. It's already on our funding account, so what we do is we click on withdraw. And then if you have other cryptocurrencies, you see them here. So we just click on USDT. And then we have on-chain and internal transfer. On-chain means you're sending to another wallet that is not a Bybit wallet, or that is not the same with where you are sending from. This is Bybit account or Bybit exchange. So if I want to send to a Bybit account, I'll just switch to internal transfer. Okay, but if I want to send to a Binance wallet or to Telegram or to Trust Wallet, I'll click on chain. Okay, so if I want to send to a Binance account, Trust Wallet account, I'll make use of on chain. Okay, so on chain, I'll have to impute the wallet address the person is sending to me. Another thing is I will have to ask the person the network the person is sending. There's something called network. All cryptocurrencies run on network. Some run on Ton, some run on ERC, that's Ethereum, some run on Solana, some run on BSC, and so on. That's Binance Smart Chain. So you need to know, if you're sending to a Binance account, you need to ask the person which network, the wallet you're sending to me, which network is it. Okay, and so just in case you are the one sending somebody a wallet address, so what you do is just go back, click on deposit, and then click on USDT, and then they are going to ask you the network. Okay, so what network are you sending to this person? So it's either ERC20, that's Ethereum, TRC, that's Tron Network, BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain, Ton is congested, okay, and so many others. So let's assume we want to send on TRC network, so click on TRC. Okay, and then you can see the wallet address here. You just click on copy, you can see the network, and you send to the person. So you have to be sure of the network you are sending. Okay, be sure of the wallet address, that is a USDT wallet address, and also be sure of the network. And so we return back to sending out. So we'll go back to withdraw, and then we'll click on USDT. So that's just all about on-chain transfer. You need a wallet address, you need the network, and then you impute the amount, and then you click on withdraw. And so for internal transfer, you don't need gas fee, one, and number two, you don't need wallet address. So what you need is the person's email, the email the person used in opening the Bybit account, the mobile number of the person, and the UID. The UID, you always get it here. Come back to home, click on this icon, this profile icon, top left of the screen, and then you can see your UID there. So just go back now. We'll go back to assets, we'll go back to withdraw, go back, internal transfer. So you can ask the person for his or her email address, you can ask for the mobile number, you can ask for UID. So just paste it there, type in the amount you want to send out, and click on withdraw. And so that's just it about withdrawals, sending out cryptocurrencies from your Bybit account to another account. So another thing you will have to do is that when you click on withdraw, if you're making withdrawals for the first time, you have to link your email address, set up two-factor authentication, and you are good to go. See you guys some other time.